Y'all ready to do something different? Y'all ever heard about apple fritters? Well, we're gonna do it a little different today. We're gonna make crab fritters. Woo, I love to eat these things. Pretty simple to make. There ain't no directions. This is the way we do it right here. Y'all hang on and watch what we do, and we're gonna put you right up. Let's get with it. Lump crab meat. I don't know if y'all got it in y'all stores. You probably do froze, but we get it fresh down here. Ooh, I love crab meat. All right, I'm gonna make sure this is kind of chopped up a little bit. That's pretty good. First thing I'm doing, I'm gonna hit it with a little seasoning. My own seasoning. I'll hit it with this first, get it going. Start the seasoning early, mix it in. We got a little flour here. We're gonna throw some of this flour in here. This flour and the eggs we're fixing to put in here. It's just a binder, that's all it is. So we're gonna drop 2 eggs, maybe 3 in here. All right, we want it to really stick good. We're gonna bust these eggs up. You can just about do it any way you want to. Let's get these things mixing pretty good. It's kind of wet looking right now, but we ain't through. We're gonna add some cheese in here. It ain't easy being cheesy. Ain't no right cheese to put in here, just whatever you like. Just put it in. Get all this mixed in. I like to mix one thing at a time. Make sure it's all mixed in good. Here we go. We're gonna put some of this Trinity in here. We need a little bit of this in here. Not a lot. All right, y'all. Mix this in good. It's starting to look better. Still needs more flour though. I mean, the fritter ain't nothing but like just a pancake basically. But these, the way we do them, you get to do a little bit more stuff with them. All right, y'all, we got this about mixed up good as I want it. So we're gonna rake some of this off, but we don't want to waste it. Crab meat is so good. All right, y'all, we're gonna put that grazzle sizzle on here and make it pretty and shiny. We ready to throw it down. Get this going here, y'all. All right, y'all, we're just making fritters, so it ain't got to be perfect. You just got to have a lot of them because they're good. Now you can make them as big as you want or as little as you want. Big, little, small, I like them all. Notice I got this spatula sitting on here, getting it hot and oily. That way I can pull it up, just touch these a little bit. See how they go down? There ain't no hurry, y'all. Can't do it too hard. All right, y'all, we're letting these cook kind of slow. Notice I got it on low, and it's gonna take a few minutes, but you don't want to burn them. So we got to stay close with this. All right, y'all, these are just about ready, but they're not ready yet. We're gonna put them on our rack right here. I'm gonna set this down. We're gonna set these on top. Look at that. I'm gonna like to turn them a little bit. And what we're gonna do is let these cook a little bit longer. Stay over the heat. Once we get them all up here, we're gonna go back. We're gonna make us a good dipping sauce for this. All right, y'all, ranch is gonna be our base. We're gonna pour some in here. That's enough. Now we're gonna put some Bruce Mitchell seasoning in it. Okay, we're gonna stir that around a little bit, get this melted in there good. I don't know about y'all, but I love Crystal hot sauce. That's the best one. All right, we're gonna put a little bit to whatever you want. I like a lot. Some people don't. But this is for me, so I'm doing it my way. Look at there, is that pretty? Get a little color in here. All right, y'all, we about got this done. Let's go get the star of the show. Time to eat this, so we're gonna plate it all up, and then we're gonna sprinkle a little parsley on there. You ain't got to if you don't want to. I just think it makes it look pretty. What do y'all think? All right, y'all, let's eat these things. Y'all, when you're a kid, we made these fritters all the time. Apple fritters, blueberry fritters, just whatever, strawberry. Whatever we had, we used it. I thought it was something special back in the day, but apparently they was running out of food. That's all they had. And boy, you talk about good. Them things is good. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all do y'all fritters, you know. We do them all kind of different ways, but let me know how y'all do y'all's. Hey, I'm just gonna keep eating.
Tonight you're cooking with the